Christmas.
making me laugh.
Merry Christmas. What is your favorite? Big sushi dayon.
My rice, it's perfect blend. Rice.
And there's palabok.
Yes.
Oh, you have to cut the lasagna. Yeah, you open that, Kirk, so that they will not forget to eat it.
You want it?
Ay, shumai. And then I think that's the sauce. Yeah.
So soft.
Samon laani, you eat now. And, hala.
Taquitos.
Hmm? Our little salo-salo. Ang imo kari-kari dayon.
Yeah.
Alam labi kari-kari.
At tangan ang kare.
Oh, there's a bow also, guys. Nilat ang baka. Ang sa may imo, me.
Kare-kare.
Diyan ang kari-kari.
Kinangat kali-kali kay kuha yung mga tambok, mga grass.
How about you, Mabel? How about you, Mabel? Yeah, there's sauce for that one, Lynn. Ala, nakuhog ang taquitos. That's taquitos. That's my new, I don't know if this one. Lisa, you eat na. How do you like it, Kirk?
Very
Have you
yummy, very
tasted?
good. Very good. Kirk approved. Oh, you're here when I'm on zone.
The shumai wrapper is over there.
I just got it already. Have some manners on Christmas Eve.
Di man nagibutang.
It was in the oven. First.
Sama namin.
I was